Hey, y'all see what's going on behind me, right? Y'all see what's going on behind me, bro. That college football 25 and finally dropped, and your boy DeVintage is going crazy, bro. Definitely long overdue, long overdue. Glad it finally came back out in 2025. If you guys want to hit me up over on PSN, play some college football, hit me up on Instagram, man. But you guys can see we do have another pair that I hit on a restock, and it comes at no surprise. And these are currently going for under retail, and I paid over market value paying retail for these things. It's a bummer, but it is what it is. I have another pair, much needed pair in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Yo, what is going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It is always greatly appreciated. If you guys pull up, see what your boy DeVintage is talking about. And with these videos lately, man, I've been kind of slimming down to like 6-7 minutes. You know what I'm saying? This might be a little bit more lengthy because I do want to talk about some other releases that we do have upcoming. So stick around, stay tuned, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now, what everybody do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. And please do your boy a favor. Y'all already know what it is, man. Leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way, and it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. I've been gone for like 2-3 days, bro, but it's like, you know, like clockwork. I know this stuff like the back of my hand. So if you guys are rocking out with your boy DeVintage, man, like I said, hit that like button, drop some comments down below, and we're gonna go ahead and run this unboxing. All right, man, you guys see it, bro. You see what we got in today, bro. Another Air Jordan 4. And I've already had this pair, but I felt like this one was much needed. I had to double up on these, had to get a pair that I can, you know, either put on ice or rock a little bit, because I honestly have not wore these out yet. I haven't worn them out yet, which is, you know, I gotta pull them out. I gotta go outside, get a dope fit. And this shirt I just got recently kind of made me want to pull this pair out a little bit more. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I have no knife. I literally have no knife around me. That's crazy. So we're gonna have to open it from the bottom right here. You guys do not mind me, please. It's one of them weeks, bro. It's one of them weeks. But I want to start this week off fresh with some content for you guys and get into this unboxing. Once you guys see it, you're gonna know exactly which silhouette we do have. So go ahead and check it out, bro. Go ahead and check it out. Y'all see what we got inside there, bro. Y'all see what we got inside there, man. If you guys have not skipped yet, please let me know which Air Jordan 4 you think we have in today. Which Air Jordan 4 y'all think we got, bro? I had to get them, had to double up, and actually it's more like a triple up, or no, this is a double up because I sold my other pairs. Now we have them back in the collection for a double up. It was much needed, bro. Y'all gonna see exactly why I'm at. But let's go ahead and get into these things. The official colorway reads Air Jordan 4 Retro, Off-White, in military blue. You guys know I had to do it, man. You know your boy DeVintage had to do it. So let's go ahead and pop the top. Let's pop the top. And like, you know, a couple of months ago when we first got these, the excitement should still be there, because if you haven't noticed, I have not been in the original sneaker room. I'm downstairs in the man cave, sneaker room upstairs, the studio room, whatever you want to call it. And I haven't seen none of my shoes. Just needed like a, you know, a little fresh start. Look at something differently. And it's gonna be my first time seeing these in a while, and let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. You see it, bro. Check them out. The Air Jordan 4 military blue, guys, man. Industrial blues, whatever you want to call it. And I did peep something at the bottom. It said inspected by initials BE on June 19th, 2024. So I've had these for a long time. Y'all see the date, right? I've had these for so long, just sitting outside my sneaker room. I ain't been upstairs in a while to that room. I said, hold on. I forgot I did double up on this pair right here because I sold some other pairs on whatnot and stuff like that. But we have them back for the double up, man. I don't know. I think I got these from JD or Finish Line. I'm not too sure. Either JD or Finish Line, so I don't know what the inspected buy is. I didn't get these from GOAT. I didn't get these from, you know what I'm saying, StockX or nothing like that. So I'm a little bit, you know, interested in seeing where I got them. But I do feel like it was JD Sports. Y'all see it, bro. Crispy pair of military blue industrial blues. And I think I got these in the size, yeah, 9.5. Got these in 9.5. And I really want to get a dope fit with these things ASAP, man. So like I said earlier in the intro, bro, the Air Jordan 4 military blues are going for under retail. You guys can go check on StockX. You're going to check on GOAT. Man, I'm not going to speak for everybody's size, but I know for sure, for my size, I checked, man, a size 9.5 is going for $209, bro. $209. Might have to put a screenshot up there, but the retail is what, $215, $220, one of the two, which, you know, like I said, you pay taxes and fees and shipping, of course, it's gonna be over that $210, $215, whatever retail is. But given the fact, if you go to like an actual sneaker store, if you go to like a, you know what I'm saying, consignment shop, or even to a sneaker event, you might can get these things for $200 or less, and no telling when that resale is gonna start going back up. We've been getting a bunch of Air Jordan 4s. You guys know I've been talking about these for a while now. The Paris Air Jordan 4 is super clean, super crispy. I feel like, you know, with some of these releases, these non-OG colorways, some of these, you know, newer joints that we have been seeing, like these and the White Thunders, might have shaken up a little bit in terms of what people are going out to get. And that all might be why, you know what I'm saying, these joints are going for that under retail value, which is crazy, bro. I paid over resale value or market value for these joints paying retail. That's crazy. I ain't never think I see the day where a pair of Air Jordan 4s will be going for under retail, especially like these military blues, man. Another thing I don't want to mention and bring up to you guys is the Air Jordan 6 Olympics. Now, you guys know they released back in 2000 initially, then they came out in 2012, and now we finally got another pair 12 years later in 2024, and this pair is more to, you know what I'm saying, the original form back in 2000 without the blue crazy going on the midsole. So I'm not too sure how it's gonna go, but if I'm just being honest, if I'm just going off base of what's been going on the last year and a half, how the, you know, current market economy is going, I still feel like the Olympics are gonna sit. You guys can, you know, you ain't gotta be mad at me. I'm just telling the truth how I feel. And that might be another one that hit that list that might keep restocking continuously, like we've seen with the military blues, like we've seen with the Brer Reimagined. And you know, I don't know, bro. I just think that one right there is one of them staple sneakers, one of them, you know, old all-time classics. And just to be honest, I think the thing still might sit because it's not Travis Scott, it's not J Balvin, it's not an Off-White, and it's just currently how it's been going lately for the sneaker community. Even looking at the Air Jordan 3 Chanel joints, the Nina Chanel, so those things is going for not that much. People keep restocking them. Not a lot of people give them the credit they deserve. So I just feel like, you know, if it ain't Travis Scott, if it ain't, I think even a Nigel, you know, Sylvester, you know, Jordan, what's it called, the RM Jordan 4s, I still think those are going to sit. Like, it's just so much going on currently, and it's only certain things people are going out and getting, again, like Travis Scott, like Off-White, and, you know, probably just those two names, because, you know, everything else either sitting or going for under retail, and people call it trash. I don't know why. It's just how things is going, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Quick little unboxing action, my official double up on the Air Jordan 4 military blues. Sold a couple pairs on whatnot, but I had to go back and get the double up action on these things. It was much needed, had to do it, and hopefully this weekend or next weekend or sometime this week, your boy pull these things out, throw them in rotation, because you guys know I am in love with the military blues, and this is my sneaker of the year still so far in 2024. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell for your boys to miss any content, and please leave a huge like, drop some comments down below. I'm getting all you guys' comments, been a little busy, but you guys know I love engaging with you guys, love talking with you guys, see what y'all got going on. Let's go ahead and drop a couple things down below, man. Love y'all, appreciate y'all, and catch you in next video, man. Peace.